finally we are now ready to set up the MCMC sampler and then run it. So we're now using our three components, our model, which is stored in the variable myModel, a list of moves, which we stored in the vector moves, and a list of monitors, which we stored in the vector monitors. And with these three components, we can define our MCMC analysis as follows. And then using this new variable, we can then run it, and this is the run function that takes a number of generations. Finally, since we are using this analysis as part of the script, we don't want to leave the ref-based terminal hanging at the end of the script, so we're just adding a little command to quit the script. Now our entire script is now ready. We can take a look at it again here. We can see we have all the commands, the FBD model, then the MK evolution model, and then finally the command that we just looked at to set up the monitors, initialize the MCMC and run it, and then finally quit.